Swine flu has re-emerged in India. Rajasthan so far has recorded the most cases with 246 people testing positive for H1N1. 54 people have lost their lives in the state due to swine flu, according to the Health Ministry. And remember, the H1N1 virus spreads in cold, moist weather.
The Health Department has been going in the community and conducting mass surveys and providing early treatment.
Punjab has recorded 47 cases and 9 swine flu related deaths, while Haryana has seen 38 cases and 13 deaths.
जैसे ही वायरोलॉजी से हमारे को पॉजिटिव आता है, हम वो केस का हाउस विजिट करते हैं. हाउस विजिट करके जो भी कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं, जो भी उनके आसपास के हैं, उनके लिए प्रिवेंटिव मेडिसिन होती है टैमीफ्लू की, वो प्रोवाइड डिपार्टमेंट के द्वारा करी जाती है.
There have been more than 456 cases all over the country and 91 deaths since 1st of January this year. The national capital has already recorded 57 cases and 3 deaths. Delhi Health Minister A.K. Walia says 24 government and 5 private hospitals have been earmarked to deal with swine flu patients.
Yesterday 4 केस आए और 2 जो आइसोलेटेड वार्ड में है, इसमें एक बच्चा है 5 years का एंड all are okay, but the ICU में जो है दोनों critical है.
Doctors say it's the elderly, children, pregnant women and people with underlying health conditions who are most at risk.
Most of the symptoms of swine flu are actually that of a regular flu. But the symptoms that you need to watch out for is that if there is any persistent high-grade fever which is not going, there is a breathing difficulty and there is chest pain, drowsiness.
Do not ignore symptoms, or if you have any breathing difficulty, consult your doctor immediately. With Jyoti Kamal in Chandigarh and Swati Vashisht in Jaipur, in New Delhi, Shalini.